Year 6 English. Now, this particular topic is all about brackets. We can use brackets to add extra useful information to a sentence. Brackets don't disrupt the meaning of the sentence, so you can take them out of a sentence without changing its meaning. So, for example, if you look at this example at the bottom of our image, it says the monster's bad breath meant he had no friends. But once we've integrated the brackets in here, it reads as the monster's bad breath and smelly feet meant he had no friends. So the brackets and parenthesis is another word for brackets, basically means that you're just providing that extra information. And even if you don't read the brackets, even though you have the brackets in front of you, the sentence still makes sense. So for example, the monster's bad breath meant he had no friends. So we're just adding that extra information in the bracket that people can actually read, or in terms of instructions as well, just to give them that extra bit of information as well. Now, this first question in our task says, fill in the blank with a suitable phrase from the box below to complete the sentence. So the cat something curled up and went to sleep. So if you look at the sentence itself without filling in the brackets, it says the cat curled up and went to sleep, which makes perfect sense. But we can also add an extra bit of information there in brackets, and that bit of information is within the image below. So just decide which phrase you're going to go for to make this phrase actually make sense. And good luck with the rest of the questions as well. Thank you.